step into the time capsule because we are bringing back a legend from 1970. A watch that broke all boundaries with its fiberglass case. Fiberglass is a great material and has multiple advantages. It is 4 times lighter than steel, scratch resistant, doesn't get affected by temperature, and it is unalterable even by acid. These unique features of fiberglass makes it the high-tech industry champion, and its usage in watch manufacturing is a classic example of how innovation can push boundaries and create something extraordinary. Today, we have Tissot Sideral, a modern makeover of the classic 1970s Sideral S. Today, vintage Tissot Sideral watches are prized among collectors and enthusiasts. They serve as a reminder of innovation. Talking about this modern makeover, Sideral has an iconic yellow color and a water resistance of 300 meters. Plus, those indices are coated with superluminova. It has a natural bicolor marble look. It's like wearing a piece of Earth's elegance on your wrist. It also has a domed, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Switching up your style is a breeze with the interchangeable quick-release bracelet. So, there you have it, a legend reborn for those who want to make a lasting impression.